If white sugar is made like this, would you still want to eat it? Whenever the season arrives and the sugarcane is ripe, workers will drive harvesters to harvest the sugarcane. The harvested sugarcane will fall into the cargo box running synchronously next to it, and then the truck will quickly transport it to the sugar factory for processing. When they arrive at the processing plant, the truck will first pour the sugarcane onto the receiving platform. It will send it to the running conveyor belt prepared to complete the next two cleaning steps. After cleaning, a crusher will crush the sugarcane into pieces like this, and then the conveyor bag will send them to the juicer. In order to extract all the juice in it to the greatest extent, these sugarcanes will be squeezed by multiple juicers running continuously. The workers here will supervise the operation of each juicer. To ensure that not a single drop of juice is trapped in the cane fragments, the squeezed juice is guided through grooves and eventually reaches this large collection tank. Before the juice is turned into crystallized sugar, the sample undergoes a battery of tests in the laboratory. Technicians add thickeners to bind impurities in the juice to filter the cloudy juice into a clean liquid. Then he pours it into another machine to measure whether the sugar concentration meets the standard. The juice then flows down this 10-meter high tower. Sulfur dioxide vapor begins to rise from the bottom. This process is called sulfurization. Its function is to whiten the juice. The juice then flows through a device that measures the 3 reduction. In a separate vat, workers are adding lime powder to water to prepare a solution of sugarcane juice that will be added next. Agitators will mix the juice and lime solution for about 6 hours in a process called simplification, which adjusts the pH of the juice and clarifies it. After the juice and lime react, it turns from brown to its current yellow color. The juice is then piped into a clarifier. It will take more than 2 hours to become clear, with impurities settling to the bottom. Workers will take samples from the tank to show us how the residue is precipitated. The residue that settles to the bottom is not wasted. It is squeezed again. Any remaining sugar is extracted. The dirt at the bottom of the squeeze goes from firewood to fertilizer in the sugarcane field, and the remaining residue is used as fuel. The clarified juice then goes into a series of evaporators where it is boiled. This increases the sugar content in the juice from 15 to 60%. The juice then goes into this 15-ton tank where any remaining sediment floats to the top, where it is skimmed to the side of the tank by a rotating paddle. After this process, the cane juice is reduced to this thick syrup. A worker then pours a bucket of a white sticky substance into the syrup. This milk-like solution binds the sugars in the syrup. The sugar cakes are then sent to a high-speed centrifuge where they spin at 120 revolutions per minute, rapidly extracting the molasses out of the pot until only the separated crystals remain in the pot. The machine then sprays clean water to wash the crystal. Once complete, the water is pumped out, leaving only the clean crystal. The centrifuge works just like a washing machine set to the spin mode. It extracts water from the sugar, just like a washing machine extracts water from clothes. Next, the conveyor belt will carry the crystallized sugar out of the centrifuge and gradually enter this large dryer where they will continue to tumble until the moisture content of the sugar is reduced to 0.02%. After that, they will leave the dryer and enter the bags placed on the scale. When its weight reaches 0 kilograms, the weighing machine will transport the bag to another platform in the factory. It will lower each bag of white sugar onto the flow channel leading to the main equipment. The worker only needs to carefully open the seal and it will automatically flow to the packaging workshop of the factory. Here, a series of automated equipment will automatically complete their packaging, sealing, and splitting process. From then on, these white sugars can be used by thousands of households